I'll show you how to make 5,000 naira or above in Nigeria daily in Nigeria doing one particular business. And this is the proof right here on my screen. I'll show you and I'm going to walk you step by step in this video on how to get it daily. And I will show you how I've been doing that. I have tried it and I've been doing it. Now that you have seen the proof, I want you to pay close attention to everything I'll be teaching you in this video. I want you to pay close attention to it. All what you need is your smartphone and data connection. If this is your first time you are seeing me on YouTube, my name is Esther Olamide Oluwafemi, and I teach people like you how to make money online. If you want valuable content like this, please go down below and hit the like button and subscribe for your girl. Please, let's move into the video. For the sake of concentration, I'll not be showing the name of the app yet, but I want you to listen to me. I use it for selling data. You can make money by selling data online every day to people around you or people online. Normally, we get data for 1,000 or 2,000 naira or like for 1 gig, but yeah, like the lowest amount of money we can spend for 1 gig on MTN is 230 naira. And on other platforms that I've been using before I got to this, they used to charge me money whenever I deposit money inside my wallet. They charge me 15 naira. Like they charge me 15 naira. Whenever I deposit like 2,000, they charge me 15 naira for it. But yeah, they don't charge me as 15. They don't charge me much as 15 naira. Like I get 3 naira deduction or 2 naira deduction whenever I deposit money inside my app here. So like I get 213, I get 1 gig for 230 naira on this app for MTN, and I get 300 naira for Airtel. I get 250 for Glow for 1 gig. It's a business I can do, like business that I do. Like I make a lot of money from this, and it does not require capital, because people that will be doing data for, they want to buy data from me, they will surely transfer money to you too. So like if they are buying like 1,000 naira for me, I can sell 1,000 naira for them. I can send 2 gig MTN for them for 1,000 naira. So yeah, I'm logging into my app now to show you how it works. I'm having 8 naira here, and I want to do 500 MB for myself, but I won't be sending 500. I won't be sending money for 500 naira, 500 MB here, because it will be 115 naira. So I'll be sending 250 naira live to you here in this video. And these are the numbers of the transactions I've done with the app. And on this app, you can convert airtime to cash. You can withdraw into your bank account without charging you anything. So if you mistakenly transfer money into this app, or you mistakenly buy airtime from your bank, and then you want to convert it into cash, you can just sell it on that app, and they will transfer you your money into your bank account straight up. So now I want to make transfer into the wallet. So I've transferred money into the wallet now. I'm having 255 naira. You know, we had 8 naira before, and I was deducted 3 naira. Assuming it's that old app I used to make use of. Even if I transfer 3 naira, they would charge me 15 naira still. So I always stick with this app, because they are not charging me much here. It's only 3 naira, 2 naira. That's what they charge me here. And after that, if you want to fund your money, like if you want to fund your wallet, you can fund through two ways. You can fund through bank or your card. So they will give you individual bank account here. So I have my own personal bank account here, and I've been using it, and it is instant. Like whenever you send money here, there is no network issues like that, and their customer care is top notch. So I want to buy data for myself. I'm going to click on data purchase, and I will buy the data there. So MTN is 125 naira here for 500 MB, and 1 gig is 230 naira. So Glow is 250 naira, and then Airtel is 300 naira. So like if you want to sell 1 gig for MTN now, the regular 1 gig for MTN is like 1,000 or so. So like if I want to sell it, if I decide to sell it 900, let me just say I'm running a promo, like I'm getting like 700 naira or 800 naira like in profit. So if I do that times 10 in a day, it is 8,000 naira. And people will buy from you as far as they trust you and you're always delivering. Like like you're always there for them, like you are delivering to them, like anytime they need data, like they need, even in the midnight sef when they used to send me money. This is Nigeria now, so you need to stay up for business. So like this is what I do online. Like if I need urgent money for myself, I'll just send, thank God there is WhatsApp. I'll just send a broadcast message every day on Monday, every day, seven, that their data is available. They should come and buy from me, and people will surely buy. They will find, it's as if they are knocking my door down. I should come and buy from. They should come and buy data from me. So I've already done it. I'm going to go to my phone icon now to dial the code to view my data balance. So I'll be having 500 naira there because I got the message. So I'm having 500 MB in my as my data balance now. So I'll be showing you the app now.